Simpleng formula ha, income minus expenses, bakit nagiging utang? Subtraction! Mas mahirap to i-solve. This is harder to solve. But people cannot solve this. Why? It's because you don't accept na may utang ka. You don't accept na maliit yung income mo. The lie you've been telling yourself. Next, I can't. Hindi ko kaya. Even if, sino dito yung mga negosyante pero minsan ganyan ka pa rin? There are entrepreneurs who are good in marketing, yeah? But do we have entrepreneurs also who doesn't upload video? Sino dito yung ganyan? May negosyo ka para ayaw mong makita mukha mo. Diba? Nahihiya ka. Hindi ka makapag-create ng content, kikreate kang content. Tapos pag may nakatingin sa'yo, we've been telling that over and over. Hear me out. This is what we call a pattern. I'm gonna give you, there's a cycle to this, guys. For example, your job is creating a website. It's like, oh, I can't. And then you tried. At some point, na-convince ka, na-motivate ka, something great happened, or maybe you are confronted, you studied, you need to earn money, and then, inaral mo. Now you can create a website. And it's not done. You have to create a functioning, well-rounded website that can convert. Kailangan gumagawa ng pera. Uy, gumagawa na yung pera yung website. It's generating leads. It's generating money. Oh, not yet. It's your job. But okay, KPI, 3 website per week. Ha? Hindi ko kaya. And this happens in businesses as well. This happens everywhere. How among you here are in real estate? Or in a business where you have to sell products? Right? Kahit hindi ikaw yung may-ari, okay. May produkto ka. Oh, kailangan mo humanap ng mabebentahan. Nakabenta ka ngayon, isa. Sino dito yung masaya sa yung unang-unang benta mo, talagang feeling mo, immortal ka na eh. Ano mo yun? Feeling mo, bulletproof ka eh, no? Parang, may benta ako isa. Pag naglakad ka sa ganyan, no? Right? Kung real estate ka, yung commission mo, ang tagal pala, no? Nakabenta ka ng isa. It's not done. It's good, but you won't become a millionaire with one sale. Ano sasabihin? Try mo, 2 na. Ano sasabihin mo ulit? Resistance again. For every growth, there's resistance. So this is something that you've been telling yourself, but you have to accept it. Not sometimes, oo nga, no? 5 video na ginagawa mo, gawin mo 10. Ha? Dami naman biyaya. O yung products mo, taasan mo presyo, iba ka hindi bumili. Laging I can't. It's a conscious pattern. For example, starting a business. When you started a business, like, oh, okay na yung business. Ang tagal mong inisip. Di ba 10 years? Sino dito yung gano'n? Yung like, galing ka pang abroad, pinag-ipunan mo pa yung negosyo. May ganyan ba dito? May ganyan ba dito? Yung tagal mong pinag-ipunan ng lakas ng loob bago mo na itayo yung negosyo. May ganyan? Wala. Lahat tayo na, oh, wow. Grabe kayo lahat, palakpakan yung sarili nyo. Start agad. Yan ang gusto ko sa crowd. Iba hindi napalakpak. Hindi sila umamin eh. Right na. Hear me out. Tinayo mo yung business. Pinag-ipunan mo, ang tagal mong in-overthink, pero tinayo mo. Is it done? It's just the start. Aaralin mo pa yung, uy, kailangan pala ng benta. Akala ko itatayo lang yung negosyo eh. Uy, kailangan palang i-improve yung products. Kakala ko kasi maganda yun na yung products natin. Nung na-discover ko, hindi pa pala maganda. May improve pa pala ako sa packaging. Ay, meron palang tinatawag na costing. Akala ko tutubuan ko lang ng 100, kikita na ako. Hindi ko na-compute. Sana pala nakinig ako sa algebra. Nagigets niyo ako? It's like dito niyo magagamit yung tinuro plus minus. Ito, kaya hindi ako fan. Ang hirap naman kasi sa school. Guys when you go to school, focus on learning. Okay? Kasi tingnan nyo nung high school, ano ang ina-add? Numero, letra. Letra, di ba? 3x. Hindi pa na-kontento, nilagyan pa ng numero sa taas. Ganyan pa, plus 4y, may ganyan pa. Hindi pa na-kontento, teacher mo, nilagyan pa ng underline. Tapos may ganyan pa. Bad trip siya. Kinulong! After niya ikinulong, nilagyan ng number, tapos nilagyan ng tulay. Ano yan? This is the worst part. Ito yung masakit. Find the value of x. Hirap na hirap ka nang kakalimutan si x, papahanap pa sa'yo. Huh? Ito pa. After ipahanap si x, y naman. Chismoso. Now, bottom line, nasolve mo yan eh. Nasolve mo yan, ya? Kung nandito ka, nasolve mo yan, ipasa mo eh, yung algebra eh. So you are able to solve this big problem. Pero hindi mo alam paano gamitin. Hindi tinuro eh. Let me show you. Simpleng formula ha, income minus expenses. Bakit nagiging utang? Subtraction! Mas mahirap to i-solve. This is harder to solve. But people cannot solve this. Why? It's because you don't accept na may utang ka. You don't accept na maliit yung income mo. It comes from acceptance, not from formula. Use your what? Common sense. Tapigin mo katabi mo sa kanan. Sabihin mo, magbago ka na. Tapigin mo katabi mo sa kaliwa, lalo ka na. Right? Nagigets na ako. Are you with me? Magko-costing ka ngayon. Oh, here's what will happen. Tapos, kailangan pala ng marketing. Tapos, iba pa pala ang marketing sa sales. Tapos, benta ako ng benta, marketing ako ng marketing. Kada mag-hire ako ng bagong tao, nagbabagong marketing ko. Kasi wala pala akong branding. Oh, tapos nung nag-resign yung tao ko, hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. Kasi wala kang sistema. Oh, tapos hindi mo alam kung saan mo ngayon, sinong tatawagan mo, saan ang gagaling yung leads mo. You don't know where the leads are coming from. You don't know how to, how to connect, how to have a campaign. Kasi wala kang data management. Oh, shit, oo nga pala. Para tumaas yung sales, kailangan maganda rin yung operations. Narinig lang kasi namin doon sa mga influencer na wala naman talagang negosyo, sasabihin nila, sales na nga mahalaga. That's wrong. Para lumaki sales mo, kailangan mo ng operations. It's because without the operations, wala kang ibebenta. Pag lumaki sales mo, magmumukha kang scammer. Nagbebenta ka ng wala. Ang tawag po dyan, fulfillment. Okay. The clients have to be fulfilled pala. Akala ko magbebenta lang ako ng produkto, kikita ko. That's a scam. You will only earn and create value if the products that you are selling is helping the person, is helping people. Nagigets nyo yung example po ng fulfillment in case hindi nyo magets. Nag-enroll ka sa gym. Sabi ng personal trainer, here's our goal. You will lose 20 kilograms in X amount of time. Pag hindi na-hit yon, hindi fulfilled. Gets. That's why it's more expensive because it's longer to fulfill. Bumili ka ng Biogesic, ano promise? Tatanggalin ang lagnat mo. Pag inom mo, ingat. 30 minutes, bagsak ang lagnat, yes? O fulfilled agad. Wala kang reklamo kay Biogesic. There are products that are easy to fulfill. Right? Bili ka ng Coke, inumin mo, naramdaman mo yung acid dito, Coca-Cola. Fulfilled ka na. Right? So, ibig sabihin, the unhealthy products are easy for fulfillment. Cheaper products, easy for fulfillment. More expensive products are harder fulfillment. Construction. Hanggat hindi nakatira doon yung tao, hindi fulfilled. Akala mo, pagkatapos na yung bahay, fulfilled na? Hindi. Kailangan bagyuhin muna yan. Right? Kailangan makita muna kung totoong babaha o hindi. Kailangan ma-stress test muna paano pag nabasa yung floor, tutuklap ba yung mga wood? Apektado ba yung kisame? May leakage ba? Are you with me? So the construction business, harder fulfillment. Kailangan ma-stress test. Kaya doon nang i-scam sa construction yung iba eh. Saan tayo ni-scam? Sa tulay. Right? Sa mga flood control project. Kasi matagal malaman kung effective yung produkto or not. Ang tawag doon ay leakage in a business. Pansin nyo sa Pilipinas, walang business education na matino. Tapos yung mga nagbi-business education ng matino, binabash nila. Kasi ayaw nilang matuto Pilipino. Nasaan ang camera? Zoom nyo, right? Ayaw nilang matuto ka. Bakit? Para hindi mo magets paano ka nila ini-scam. Are you with me? Right? Kaya walang malinaw na education eh. Are you Hindi. Are you with me? Learning? So that's what's happening. That's the reality. So, ito problema. Pagbalik mo dito, I can pala. I can pala. Ang tanong, bago mo masabing I can, bukas pa negosyo mo? Simply because you are not learning. You are not growing. Are you with me? So you find ways in how you can relate. You wanna earn? Simple lang eh. Bigyan ka ng task, can you do this? Yes. Or I'll try. You don't say no to a powerful opportunity and an opportunity to grow. Nakabenta ka na ng isang platinum. You have 1 platinum, right? Try 10. Isipin mo, hindi ka na ngayon, wala ka na ngayon time sa basher sa social media. Because you will be focused on building relationship with the platinum. Mas masaya sila kausap, yes? Sino mas masaya kausap? May pera, wala? Yes. Hindi ka naman ibabash nung walang pera eh. Pag may nambabash, walang pera yon. Kasi may pera, busy yun. Hindi, wala yun sa TikTok. Yung may pera, nagsha-shopping yun ngayon. Or nandito yun ngayon sa Power Talks. Right? Paano yung wala? Oh, wala kasing pamasahe. Joke lang po. Ilan ang viewers po natin sa live? Ha? 500? Oh, kaya pala nagsabi ni, sabi ni Jeff, kalma. Sorry guys, masyadong, okay lang kayo. Sorry, I'm just really straightforward, no? Because I'm not here to please you, no? I'm here to create results.